Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable sleep focus sleep screen on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on settings. Next, in settings, we scroll down and then tap on focus. Now tap on the sleep focus profile. Then we go down to the customize screen section and then tap on options. In here, tap on sleep screen. So tap on the sleep screen toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. Now so that this simplifies your iPhone lock screen to reduce distractions. And that's it. Now if for some reason you do not see the options available, then you can go into health. So go into your health app and then in here go down to the sleep section. So scroll down and then go to the sleep section. So it should be somewhere in here, and then just tap on setup for sleep. Once you have set it up, then you'll be able to see more options. So here it is at the top of favorites. So tap on the sleep module right here, and then in here just make sure that it is set up. If you haven't set up, then there is a button saying that you are ready to now set up your sleep focus, and that's it. Once it is fully set up, then you should see more options becomes available in your sleep focus profile. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.